Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is my best friend Sophie, and she's come in for she originally come in for a redesign, but we snapped 2 nails when we took them down to the thin layer. I didn't, she did. Anyway, and I was like, you know what, let's just do a fresh set. It was about time anyway, so I soaked them all off and I applied my tips. I thought I'd leave that in for you to see. Yep, the struggles of a nail tech. Honestly, opening a dib dab. Jeez. But anyway, so I applied my tips and my clear layer, and now we're going in with design. So it's just a really simple design today, but I thought I'd still put it in and show you. It's an one of my up-to-dated baby boomers. Not that I've really changed anything, but anyhow. So I applied my clear layer, and now I'm going in with coconut milk from CJP. So then just placing it halfway down the nail, bringing all that product down to the tip, and then fading back where that harsh line would be. And I'm using my CJP big boy brush today. I can hear Emmy screaming my name. So I'm going to do that on all of the nails. I'll leave out I'm mixing up my words today. I leave out the ring finger because we're going to do a marble on that. So I'll just let you watch.
And I said sandwich.
Okay, Babs, I'll make you a sandwich. Let me just do this, okay? So, here I'm going in with my pink. I'm using Amor from CJP. So I'm just placing a bead at the cuticle area and blending down. I'm going to do that to all the nails. So the ring finger is going to be a marble. So I picked up the pink first and then dipped into the white just to... I've got those two colours and I'm going to place it at the cuticle area and drag down. Not too bothered about this part. I just like to get that over and done with. So now I'm going to pick up some amor and some coconut milk, quite wet, and I'm going to blend and marble these two colours together. Loved it. I said to her, should we put some glitter in it? And then she was like, no. And I'm so glad I didn't. I don't know why. I loved how they turned out. So yeah, I'm just going to do that to all to this whole nail. So now it's time for top coat. I did file off camera and shape off camera just because you've seen me do it a million times. And if you're new to my channel, sorry, but I do have a video that's dedicated for my shaping and filing, so I'll leave that in the description box. So yeah, I'm going in with the Gel Bot Link Extreme Shine and just applying a thin layer of that over all her nails. I'll then apply Naff Stuff's cuticle oil in watermelon, and that is the set complete. So I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you did, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.